Okay, fine guys, we'll start. Okay. See guys, I will start with a very simple questions of recursion tree based question. Okay. Slowly will increase the complexity. Fine. Or let me make it more simple. Suppose this is not a Fibonacci function. So let me take any Fib function. If n is less than or equals to 1, you have to return n, else you have to return Fib of n minus 1 plus Fib of n minus 2. And we are passing here Fib of 6. Okay, guys. This is the simplest question, guys. We'll start from this question. Can you trace this question using recursion tree? We'll take more question on recursion tree and we'll see new topic also, guys. Screen is visible now. Please confirm online people. My screen is visible. Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, so what will be the output of this question? Tracing, guys, tracing. 5 answer is there, but tracing. How we'll trace this question using recursion tree method, right? So initially you have a fib6, guys, and you have a recursive call. You have first recursive call and you have a second recursive call, correct? So what is the advantage of drawing the recursion tree here, guys? See here, I'm writing here fib of 6, correct? For this you have a function call. In between this two call you have a plus sign, correct? So I'm writing here fib of 6 minus 1, which is 5. And here's fib of 4, correct? I'm simultaneously executing both functions, guys, correct? Now here again you are getting fib of 4, and here you are getting fib of 3, fib of 3. See guys, once you find out here fib of 4, you don't need to find out this one, correct? So what is this fib of 4? Again it will become fib of 3, again it will become fib of 2, again it will become fib of 2, again it will become fib of 1, right? Once fib of 1 means it will return guys n is less than or equals to 1 means it will return n value. So here you are getting 1, it will return here 1, right? If you see here, guys, here you are getting 2, here you are getting 1. This is the function call, guys. Again you are getting 1, here you are getting 0, here already 1, correct? You are returning 1 here, correct? Now guys, here fib of 1, it is returning 1. Everywhere you have a plus symbol. This is plus, correct? This is the plus. Okay. Now fib of 2. What is the value of this one, guys? 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. You know that this is the fib of 2. Here also value 1. Right. So 1 plus 1, 2. Correct. So this entire value fib of 3, if you calculate, this will become 2, guys. Right? Understanding how exactly I'm doing? Let me draw it again, guys. It will be better. Fine. See, initially you have f value as 6. Okay, guys. You have f value as 6. This is not a Fibonacci function, guys, first of all. No. So this is f value is 6. I wanted to make f of 5 because f of n minus 1 and f of n minus 2. So you have a plus. So f of 5 plus, here you are getting f of 4. Here you are getting f of 4. Now, guys, if you solve here again, f of 4, here you are getting f of 4. And here you will get f of 3. Guys, आप फास्ट कर सकते हो नोटबुक पे, है ना? So f of 3. Correct? Now then you are getting here f of 3 and f of 2. So f of 3 and f of 2. So you are getting here f of 2. Here also plus. Correct? For this f of 3 also again you have f of 2. Correct? N minus 1, guys. And you are getting here f of 1 plus, here you will get f of 1. Correct? And for this f of 2, again you are getting f of 1. And here you are getting f of 0. Correct? This is the final call, guys. Here is the plus. What is the value of f of 0? f of 0 का कोई value दिया है यहाँ पे, guys? Check it once. What is the condition? N is less than or equals to 1. Means it will return 0. समझ रहा है, guys? Are you able to understand how I form the function here? Because we have a function called fib of n minus 1 plus n minus 2. So I had drawn the recursion tree for fib of 6 because n value we had taken as 6 here. So you are getting here n minus 1 plus n minus 2. Correct? Now I had drawn, this is the recursive call. So function is every time getting called. Right? So if you see here, f of 1 value is 1. F of 0 value is 0. So 1 plus 0, 1. So this answer is 1. Correct? Here 1. It will come 1. F of 1, what it will return, guys? F of 1. F of 1 will return what? 1. So here, guys, 1 plus 1, it will return here 2. Correct? Now f of 2, what is the value of f of 2? Just now you have find it out, guys, which is 1. So this 2 plus 1, it will become 3. Now, guys, f of 3, what is the value of f of 3? 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So f of 5 value is 5 here you got. Now, what is the value of f of 4? Just now we have calculated 3, guys. Now here you got 5 and here you got 3. So 5 plus 3 is, the answer is 8. Once you find out the left subtree, guys, you don't need to find the right subtree here. Understanding, yes or no? Online people? Clear? बहुत simple है, guys. Let me know. If you have any doubt, I will explain it again. No issue. Clear, guys? Any doubt? Actually, sir, we are doing tracing, right? I'm not telling it's a dynamic program. That will think at the time of memoization that I'm skipping this function call, right? Because we already have in a tabular format. I'm not explaining in the dynamic programming point of view, just a tracing because we already find out the force. So directly you will get the answer right here. That's the only thing I'm trying to tell you. Because there is no context of explaining the DP here. I hope, sir, clear. Fine. DP will see, guys, once you are getting hands on, probably after 1 month. First you get the hands on the recursion and all this thing. Definitely I will teach the DP, है ना? Fine. Clear guys, any doubt or shall I explain it again? Your choice. समझा कि फिर से okay fine. See guys, first of all you understood why I have taken this two call. I wanted to find out the value of f of 6. So I have a two function call here because 6 means this condition is only getting true. Up to when this condition is true, guys, up to n value will become 1 or less than or equals to 1, right? So I'm simply putting here function call, guys. So this is f of 6. Please listen, guys. Hai na? This is f of 5. This is f of 5, guys. This is f of 4. Sorry guys, थोड़ा time जा रहा है. I asked them for the digital pad. We'll get probably in 1 or 2 days. Fine. Because the thing is that guys, not only this, whenever I wanted to explain you the intuition of the machine learning algorithm, whether it is a geometry or mathematical intuition, we required a board to draw the diagrams, right? Fine. So this is f of 5, f of 4, right? Then again, you will get f of 4 and you will get the f of 3, correct? See guys, I'm first evaluating left subtree. If you evaluate left subtree, automatically right subtree answer you will get, right? So again, I'm telling here f of 3 now and f of 2, correct? This is f of 3 and this is f of 2, correct? Now again, here you have f of 1 and you will get here f of, sorry, here you will get f of 2 and you will get f of 1, correct? Now again, there is a function call. Here you will get f of 1 and you will get here f of 0, correct? Here you will get f of 0. So guys, in between everywhere is a plus sign. Here is a plus sign. Here is a first line because there is a plus sign between two function calls. Correct. This is also plus sign and this is also plus sign. Correct. Fine. Now we know that f of 1 value is 1 and f of 0 value is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1 here. Now f of 1 value is 1, guys. So this 1 plus 1, it will give here 2. So f of 3 value is 2. F of 2 value just we now calculated, which is 1. So I'm keeping here 1. Now you add this 2 plus 1, it will become 3, guys. F of 3 value just now we find, which is a 2. So again 3 plus 2 is 5. So f of 5 value you got 5. Now here this side there is f of 4 value. What is f of 4 value, guys? Just now we calculated 3. So this is 5 plus 3, which is 8, guys. That is the answer. Clear, online people? Simple? Fine. Let me raise new question. Okay. Now you try, guys. Hai na? Def. Guys, did you remember this string? String data type? What is string data type? What is string data type, guys? Okay, what is data type? What is data type, guys? It is used to define it. बाकी लोग यार नाम खराब मत करो यार, बताओ. हाँ. See guys, similar kind of question I'm giving to you. Please try this one and let me know the answer. This is the simple question, guys. Okay, fine. How much memory allocated? Trace it, guys, fast. What will be the answer? Don't run it, guys. Anna, please trace it. Yes, what will be the output? Please trace, guys, fast. Okay, how many people got? 36 got. 36, if I'm not wrong. 24. Any other answer? If you are getting different answer means, guys, only one person is correct, hai na? One. Here f of 3. F of 4 into f of 2. Here f of 1. Sorry, f of 3. Here you will get f of 1. Here you will get f of 2. And here you will get f of 0. Right, f of 2 बोले तो f of 2 you will get here f of 1 and you are getting here f of minus 1. Correct. Okay, this kind of thing you will get. Now, what will be the anchor step? N is less than or equals to 1, you have to return 1. So guys, here into, correct? 1 into 1, 1. So it will return here 1. F of 0, 1. So it will return 1. So again 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. So everywhere you will get 1. So answer is 1. 36, 24, 72. Do it properly, guys. You will get a correct answer. If you follow the proper procedure, you will get the correct answer. Okay, fine. Let me raise one more question, guys. Things I'm changing somewhat questions. Third one, def. Okay, guys, this is the question. Tell me the output. I'm getting 11. How you'll get 11 here? 1 plus 1, 11. Do the proper computation you do, guys. You are doing multiplication. Every time you are multiplying 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. That's why you are getting the answer as 1. What about the answer of this one? Trace it properly, guys, and let me know the answer. है ना? No problem. है ना? 20. 20 कुछ है ही नहीं यहाँ पे, है ना? You are printing ABC, ना? ABC will print 8 times, 5 times, 6 times, 20 times. 5 times, 6 times, 8 times, 20 times. How many times, guys? ABC 4 times. One time. One time तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Not possible, guys. One time is not possible. 4 times, 9 times, 11 times. I hope, guys, somewhat comfortable with the recursion or still doubt. Okay. How many people came to lab today? Okay. At what time? Fine. 21 times. Okay. Okay. Done. पीछे 4 times. इधर right side 8 times. Guys, let me run it then. Did you check the proper condition, guys? Huh? Did you check the proper condition? आ, आपको पता है ना सही से किया आपने? रिकर्सिव ट्री से ही है वो. Okay, fine, guys. I will run it. Check it. Hmm. What's the issue, guys? कहाँ पे पेस स्पेस हटाना है? फंक्शन को प्रिंट में कॉल कर दूं, उससे कुछ नहीं होगा. हम्म. प्रिंट. छोड़ो. इससे अच्छा तो मैं लिख लूंगा इसे ना. ओके. एनी अदर आंसर, गाइस, यू गॉट? ओके, हाउ मेनी पीपल गॉट 10 आंसर? 10. सी गाइड. व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम? रिकर्शन एरर. मैंने इसलिए बोला है, डिड यू चेक द कंडीशन प्रॉपरली? हियर n equals to 0, guys. Okay, so first time n minus 1 and then n minus 2. You are getting the call for 5 and 4. Then 1 and, sorry, 4 and 3. Again you go 3. So guys, कहां पे recursion depth increase हो रही है exactly? See guys, see here. There are three things where exactly you are increasing, it is increasing the recursion depth. Okay, so you have f equals to 6, correct? You have a three statement here. One is f of 1. कौन कौन सा है? F of n minus 1 and n minus 2. Fine. You have n minus 1, which is a 5. Then you have a print. And then you have a n minus 2, which is f of 4, guys. Correct. Now see why the depth of the recursion is increased. Here, guys, again, n minus 4. And you are getting here n minus 2, 3. Correct? Fine. Start this one again. You are getting f of 3 and f of 2. F of 3 and f of 2. Correct? Now, guys, you apply here again. You apply here, you will get f of 1. Sorry, f of 2. देख रहा हूं मैं, आपका ध्यान है कि नहीं? ठीक है. Here f of 1. Now, guys, again you are getting here f of 1 and f of 0. Correct? अब जब आप f of 1 को कॉल करोगे, guys, it will get f of 0 and f of 1 minus 2 is f of minus 1. So guys, once it start minus 1, 0 will never come. That's why it is going to infinite recursion. So minus 1, again you are subtracting minus 1 minus 1, it will become minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2, it will become minus 3. It will continue this process. So your depth of the recursion is getting increased. That's why you are getting the recursion error. That's why I told you, please check the condition. Right? बोला था ना? I hope guys understood. No 10 times, no 11 times, 4 times, कुछ भी नहीं. Second function called creating the depth more for the first one. It depends. It will create the more depth. Once you trace it, guys, you will get to know which is giving the increasing the more depth. If you are getting more negative value, this is giving the more depth. Right. Understanding, guys, yes or no? And don't think, guys, this function will execute simultaneously. Right? This function will not execute simultaneously. आपको लग रहा है कि इसके लिए separate stack create होगा, this के लिए separate stack create होगा. Only one stack is getting created, guys, inside the memory. How exactly the stack is working in this case, we'll see. है ना? Once we move towards the data structure. Right? Clear, guys? What if the condition n is less than or equals to 0? Check it, guys. जहां पे condition less than or equals to 0 की, you check it, है ना? See guys, I will not use any BFS, DFS, any fancy word, है ना? Because I am thinking that nobody knows anything, है ना? अगर आपको पता भी होगा, आप भूल जाओ, है ना? कुछ देर के लिए, right? Fine. So this will give you infinite recursion. What if, guys, if this is the case? Function of n minus 1 print. See guys, this is not a function, print. Again, function of n minus 1 and function. Okay. Can you tell me, guys, what is the output of this one? See guys, how you are getting negative यार इतना simple है ना? See guys, you are listening me properly or not? See here. See the function call. Yes. This question, guys, take is I'm explaining the previous one again. N minus 1, ABC, N minus 2. Right? You have a 6 here. Right? So I'm finding f of 6. You are getting here f of 5. Correct? You are getting here f of 2. Here in between you have a print. And you are getting here f of 4. Correct. Now again you will get here f of 4. Here you will get f of 3. Correct? Here you will get again f of 3. You will get here f of 2. You will get here f of 1. Sorry, f of 2. Here you will get f of 1. Correct? Now again you will get here f of 1. Correct? And here you will get f of 0. correct? Now once you got f of 1 guys, here see, here you got f of 1, here you got f of 1. Once you got f of 1, again it will call the function which is f of 0, and f of 1 minus, क्या होगा यहाँ पे, f of 1 minus 2, so it will become minus 1. So minus 1, see guys, your anchor step is what? When n equals to 0. So it is minus 1 now. It is not becoming 0. So what will happen next time? F of minus 1, it will become minus 2. It will become here f of minus 1 minus 2, it will become minus 3. It will continue, guys. It will never become 0 now. It will go up to infinite loop. That's why you are getting the infinite recursion here. You trace it properly, guys, you will get a correct answer. Okay, guys, what will be the answer? Okay, question नहीं देखा क्या? नहीं. See, this is the question. Got it? 20 times got same thing. Okay. Okay, most of the people got. Okay, what will be the output? Hmm. Guys, ये आंसर तो एक्सपेक्टेड है, कल इसी टाइप का क्वेश्चंस लिया था मैंने. हाँ, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5. Hmm. Everyone got this answer, guys. This 6 6 6 6 6 5 5 4 4 3 3 2 2 1 1. You are getting this kind of answer? Huh? Trace it properly, guys. Then only you will get a correct answer. The way of tracing is same. Okay, but the thing is that you are not tracing in a proper way. Three statements are there, guys. First one is the n minus 1, print n minus 1 value, and then first first 6, guys, है ना? But 6 will see how exactly it will print n minus 1 n minus 1 last में. Okay, this one you will get, guys, here f of n minus 1 6. They are asking to print again 6, so it will print 6. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपका print 6 हो रहा है. This is printing 6. Then you have n minus 2, which is giving you the function call of 5, guys. अब इस इसको आप कंटिन्यू करो. This and always see wherever the leaf node, guys, है ना? See guys, you try this one. Good question, है ना? Trace it guys. I will tell you the output. Print n minus 1. Again I'm writing n minus 2 and I'm passing here. Okay, so this is the same code. Print n minus 1. दो प्रिंट लिखे, अरे यार बड़ा सिंपल क्वेश्चन है फिर। एक्चुअली आई वांटेड टू कीप बोथ फंक्शन कॉल हियर, है ना? ये तो आ गया होगा गाइस सबका फिर। सेम आंसर यू आर गेटिंग, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6। माय क्वेश्चन was not this guys, I wanted to keep here function call, है ना? Keep here function call guys and then tell me the output. Def if n is less than or equals to 1, return n, else we have function of n minus 1, print n minus 1, and then function of n minus 1, and then you have a function call of 7. This is the question guys. Okay, can you trace? This output is this one. You should get this one only, 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6. So trace it properly. Only one function call is there guys. Can you tell me guys why 6 is printing at last? एक अगर आपने ये बता दिया तो समझ जाऊंगा मैं कि आपने कोड सही से ट्रेस किया। Why in this case 6 6 is printing at last? Because you are passing the function call for 7. Function call is going above, print n minus 1, 7 minus 1, 7 minus 1. Both 6 will be pushed onto the stack. So when they will pop up at the last, that's why you are getting last 6 6. That's the logic, है ना? Okay guys, चलो इसका बता दो फटाक से। Let me know the answer of this one guys. Please try guys. Don't sit idly. अलग आंसर। हम्म काय आहे ते तसं? 5 4 3 2 1. That's it. I hope guys you are enjoying problem है ना? सी guys आप रन मत करिए, सिर्फ मैं रन करूंगा है ना? What will be the answer? 6. एक 6 आंसर. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Not getting. Wow. After doing this many question guys you are telling not getting, huh? Trace it guys properly. Please practice the previous questions. ये questions I already taken guys this question. This is the output. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. No, sorry. This one is the output, है ना? See guys, how many times? 1 2 1 3 1 2 1 4. How many times? Check it and why you are getting this output. 63 times. 63 times सही है. How many people got this one? No one. कमाल है. Okay, fine guys. Trace it guys. Properly trace it. है ना? आपके पास तो पेन है यार, आप फटाफट ट्रेस कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे पेंट में लिखने को टाइम वेस्ट हो जाता है. Okay, so what will be the output of this question? Think about this question, guys. First of all, tell me, is it a recursion question? Oh, sorry. Okay. So it's a recursive question, guys. Tell me the output then. This is the very simple question, guys. I hope, guys, this question at least you will able to do. Everyone. X will be pushed onto the stack and function call will go above. So X plus will be pushed onto the stack. आपको क्वेश्चन देख के समझना चाहिए व्हाट द क्वेश्चन दिस इज. We have already coded this question, guys, if you remember. This is the multiplication question. What's the answer? How much answer? 4 plus 4 comma 4. Then 4 plus 4 comma 3. Then 4 plus 4 comma 2. Then 4 plus 4 comma 1. 4 plus 4 comma 0. Then 4 plus 0 4. 4 plus 1 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 4 16. 16 plus 4 20 is the answer. Fine, guys. 20 is the answer. Okay, what about this, guys? What about this one, guys? 7. 7. 17. Any other answer, guys? This is the quite simple question, guys, to trace it. X mod Y will be pushed onto the stack. What is the answer of 3 mod 4? 3 mod 4 answer is 3. 3 mod 4 4 कैसे आएगा है ना? 3 mod 4 3. Okay. Many people got the answer. Tell fast, guys. What will be the answer? Four. Everyone got 4. 4 is the answer, guys. n greater than 0. Okay, guys, you got, everyone got 4 here. Fine. Nice. Let me change somewhat different. Else. Okay, guys, think about this one. What will be the answer? Guys, 3 mod 0 is undefined. 3 mod 0 is undefined. What will be the output of this one? This is a simple question, guys. What will be the output of this one? 1122. 1122. What's the answer? What's the answer? Everyone got 2112. 1122. 2112. Everyone got this answer? Check the base condition, guys, in this case. Always check the base condition. When y will become 0, guys, ultimately your anchor step will get executed now in above case. So why you are doing 3 mod 0 or something? Right, sir? You don't need to calculate now once, because here is the anchor step now, guys. You have anchor step y equals to 0. You don't need to go x mod y. Okay, so how many people got this answer? ये वाला. बाकी लोग इधर पीछे, आपके पीछे. What's the answer? Answer 2112, है ना? प्लीज प्रैक्टिस गाइस, है ना? Okay, guys, one last, then we'll start the new topic. I hope somewhat comfortable with the recursion, guys. Keep practicing, right? Because next topic when we'll start, we'll add the recursion in every topic now, right? Once we start the list, we'll do the recursion code based on list. Once we start the string, we'll do the recursion code based on string. Once we start the dictionary, we'll do the recursion question based on the dictionary. So this iterative approach and recursive approach will be forever with you, right? So you will get so many questions which is related to the recursion particularly. But it will be easy only whenever you are very good in tracing as well as coding, right? So make sure daily you are practicing the code and also you are tracing. Otherwise, guys, if you are not at all practicing, means scenario will be horrible, particularly in case of recursion. Or I will make it minus r. And once if n less than or equals to 0, it will directly return 0. Think about this question, guys. Please stress it, guys. Don't simply look at. Please stress it. I hope, guys, your doubts getting clear. Yes or no? अब लैब जा रहे हो? Everyone? Online people? Your doubts getting clear? Three mod 1, what is the answer, guys? 3 mod 1 answer is 3. 3 mod 1 answer is not 1. 1 zeros are 0, remainder will be 3. Like that. Okay, so what will be the answer of this one? See, guys, I have shared that recursion tracing question list. There are somewhat question which is related to the list. है ना? So you will not able to solve it. No issue, not at all issue. But once we'll complete the list, then you try that questions. Particularly that container question. No issue, guys. देखो, simple है. What's the answer? If you are not able to solve all the question, no issue, guys. But you are trying, that's a good thing. है ना? Daily you practice every day, definitely after 10 days 15 days you will get lots of improvement, है ना. इट्स नॉट अ रॉकेट साइंस गाइस. आज रिकर्शन पढ़ लिए, कल एकदम प्रो हो गए रिकर्शन में. दिस इज नॉट अ केस. किसी के साथ नहीं हो सकता ये. It will take a time. So please practice every day. 17. What's the answer, guys? Trace it properly, है ना. Please, guys, everyone trace it. Trace it. वो नहीं ट्रेस करेगा, आप ट्रेस करो अपने बुक में. डोंट सिट आइडली गाइस. आप प्रवचन सुनने आए हो क्या यहाँ पे? -3. ओके. गुड गुड आंसर. वाओ. 5. ओके. 17 5 -3 2. 17 5 -3 2. These are the answers guys, है ना. इसके अलावा और किसी का कोई आंसर है? एनी अदर आंसर अदर देन दिस? 8 4. ऐसा मत, कुछ अलग आंसर बताना इसलिए मत बोलिए, है ना. ट्रेस इट गाइस, प्लीज ट्रेस इट. एरर. ये आर की वजह से एरर बोल रहे क्या? वाओ. If condition will perform, okay, fine. This much time, guys. Guys, this Saturday you will give test. Next Saturday. What's the problem with this Saturday? घूमने जाना है. See guys, this test is for your practice only. यहाँ पे कोई बैनर नहीं लगेगा आप टॉप कर दोगे तो, है ना. So just for the practice, है ना. What's the answer? 4. पीछे. Answer is 5 guys. Answer is a 5. Correct answer is 5. आपने नहीं किया ट्रेस? See guys, this is the question. There is no need of recursion tree here. Directly stack question. Right, fine. So initially your n value is 2 1 2. Correct. And r value is 4. Correct. Now this condition is false guys. This condition is true. Correct. Second condition is true. What they are telling? Here the stack is getting created. Correct. What they are telling? This is the function call plus 5 will be getting added. So what I will do, I will put here bracket plus 5. Now next time you are passing n mod r. What is n mod r guys? You are passing here 0. Okay. So stack का status क्या हुआ? Sorry. What will be the value of n now? 0. R का value कितना है? R value is 4. So guys, if it is doing 0, if n value is 0, it will directly return 0 onto the top of the stack. So what is the top of the stack here? Here it will return 0. So 0 plus 5 will be. ये कौन सा ट्रेसिंग है फिर? You are not checking proper condition, guys. How you are tracing here? क्या क्या? N mod R. What you are passing here? N mod R value you are passing to N. R value is same. What about this one, guys? अगर मैंने इसको change कर दूं, what will be the answer now? 213 6. बताओ यार सही से. What will be the answer? 6, guys. Trace it properly, है ना? You will get the answer, guys, है ना? पक्का 6? हाँ, पक्का 6 आंसर है. नो आंसर. फाइन. जुपिटर कर्नल. व्हाट द आंसर? रिकर्शन एरर. कैसे 6 आएगा? The answer is recursion error. Please trace it, guys. You trace it properly, then only will get the correct answer. That's why you practice as many as recursion question. Then only the things will be easy, right? Okay, guys, tomorrow we'll start the new topic, particularly string, right? And we'll combine the recursion with the string. First, we'll understand the basic concepts of the string entering and all this thing, and then we'll move towards the coding part, right? From next Saturday only, guys, we'll see the different techniques, particularly in the competitive programming, right? Fine. Remaining Monday to Friday, there will be the topics only, right? So that we can cover this syllabus as well as your coding portions also. Fine. Practice as many as question, guys, please. You trace it, guys. I'm here only. यू कैन गो गाइस, नो इश्यू है ना। नहीं होगा शायद, मेरे को नहीं पता। हाँ, वेंटर वेंटर लोग नहीं हो, रिकर्शन नहीं आ रहा है। अच्छा, नहीं आया तो मेरे को कॉल करना ना। पर आप 4 बजे के बाद आते, मैं 4 बजे बैच रहता उधर। हाँ, तो ढाई, आज मैं था नहीं, कल हूँ मैं। अब मुझे कॉल कर दो, नहीं आया तो ठीक। Guys, please try the diff and try to trace by yourself, guys. मैं कितने कोड ट्रेस करूँ? Almost all code I am tracing only, है ना? Please trace it, है ना? Please try it, guys. Try at the आखिर तक आप ट्राई करो, नहीं आ रहा है तो फाइनली कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, देन आई विल ट्रेस, है ना? बट फर्स्ट यू ट्राई बाय योरसेल्फ। फाइन। So guys, come. Don't be absent tomorrow. We are starting new topic, which is string. There are so many coding question which is related to string. We'll discuss. Fine, guys. Brush up your loops and recursion. That's it. Thank you, guys.